and welcome to ProTech Voice, the nation's leader in business communications. This is ProTech Voice's educational quick tip videos. Today's tip would be on when to change the pronunciation of the letter T into a soft D. The letter T between two vowels have a sound of a soft D. Certain words like water and little have their T pronounced as a soft D. This is because the stressed vowel occurs before the T. Now, let's investigate some more words. Words like butter, attic, waiter, and pretty. Now, there are circumstances when the T between two vowels remain a T. This is because the second syllable is stressed. Example words are return, attorney, politics, competition. So now, a quick review. When to change the letter T into a soft D? The attic was painted. The attic was painted. The photo is in color. The photo is in color. Now, when to keep the T as a T? The dog competition is today. The dog competition is today. This is ProTech Voices, Shakima Davis Walters. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at edu@protechvoice.net or visit us online at protechvoice.net for more educational videos. You can follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more educational tips. Thank you and enjoy your day.